Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Liz and today I want to show you how to make a tiramisu mousse. Tiramisu is like a classic Italian, I believe, dessert cake. But today we're going to be turning this cake dessert into a mousse. Tiramisu is pretty awesome just because it has coffee in it. Coffee is always a good thing. It's pretty easy to make. That's the second bonus. Thirdly, it's a mousse. Not that kind of mousse. Like a mousse texture that's light and fluffy and delicious in your mouth. That kind of mousse. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you comment. Give this video a like. Subscribe if you like tiramisu. Subscribe if you like mousse. Subscribe if you like me. Okay, let's get started on the recipe. Enough with the likes. To start off this recipe, I'm going to be adding my instant coffee to my hot water and I'll stir it until it is incorporated. I'm using a fork, but you can use a spoon or a rubber spatula. Then I added my mixture to a bowl that was a little bit more shallow just so it cools off faster and it'll be easier to dip my ladyfingers in there later. So allow this mixture to cool completely. To a large bowl, add in your heavy whipping cream and beat it until stiff peaks form. You want to do this because this is going to add volume and texture to your mousse. This is what makes your mousse. And then just allow this to chill in the refrigerator while you work on the other ingredients. To another large bowl, add in your powdered sugar and your mascarpone cheese. And then I just started off by using my rubber spatula to incorporate the mascarpone into the powdered sugar. I did this first because I don't want to start mixing it and it to make a mess and explode all over me. Once you get most of it incorporated and there's not a lot of powdered sugar everywhere, use your electric mixer and mix this until it is really nice and smooth and combined. I used the rubber spatula to scrape the sides and then I mixed it again so it was completely smooth and combined. And then you're going to want to add your splash of vanilla extract. Then I added about 3 tablespoons of coffee. You can add a little bit more, just not the whole thing because you're going to need it later. And now you'll see my colorful tablespoons that I never show because they're so colorful. Then using your handheld mixer, mix up everything until everything is incorporated. Then pull out your heavy whipping cream out of the refrigerator and gently fold it into your coffee mixture. Once everything is combined, I did this in batches, you are ready to start assembling your tiramisu mousse. So pull out your serving dishes that you want to add your mousse to. Make sure they're kind of see-through just because that looks really pretty. And then I just broke each ladyfinger in half and I quickly dipped each one individually in the remainder of the coffee. I added them to the bottom of my serving glasses. Now these are not my preferred serving glasses, but this is just what I bought and I ended up not really liking them. Make sure you quickly do this. You don't want to get those ladyfingers too soggy. And once you've lined them up on the bottom, you can do 2-3 layers or even more, whatever you prefer. If you like more ladyfingers, add more, and if you like less, just add a little less. Once you've done that, you want to start layering that coffee mixture into your serving glasses. Now, since these serving glasses are so big, I wasn't able to do as many layers as I wanted to. So I added some of that coffee mixture and I layered some unsweetened cocoa powder on top of that. But I wasn't able to dust it as well as I would have liked just because the mouth of my serving glasses was kind of narrow. And then I added some more coffee mixture. And after that, I was able to grate some semi-sweet chocolate over the tops of these. And I didn't get as much as I wanted to, but you guys get the picture. And again, my little grater is kind of colorful. So I guess you guys see a little bit of that colorfulness that goes on behind the scenes. So once you've done all that, you are ready to serve these up right away. Enjoy this decadent dessert. It's sweet, it's creamy, it's light. That coffee really pulls through. I think you'll really enjoy this tiramisu mousse, especially if you like mousse and tiramisu and coffee. It's a perfect combination of everything that is good in life, and I think you'll really like the ladyfingers at the bottom. It adds an interesting contrast to the mousse that is on top. It's cool, it's refreshing. refreshing, and it's just a perfect size even though my cups were a little too big. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and if you ever recreate any of my recipes, make sure you tag me on Instagram. It's the best way for me to see what you guys are doing. Make sure you guys are subscribed. See you guys on the next one for hopefully more easy recipes. Until next time, bye!